So we just got here to Route 66, our trust sale. And it's a really cool property because it's both commercial, it's commercially zoned, and it's on a cool Route 66.
But it used to be Grandma's house.
It was Grandma's house, so that means there's lots of stuff in the house. When we came here last time, it was just
packed to the hilt.
Packed, and they also had a little friend
living in the backyard for 20 years.
Living in the backyard for 20 years,
Yeah.
like in a tent.
They knew him from high school.
Anyway, we're gonna call Courtney and see how it's coming along.
Good morning.
Hey, Court.
Hey there.
How's the house? Is
Oh yeah, it's good. I think we made good progress.
Oh my God, you're kidding me. That's awesome news.
Okay, good.
Yeah.
Is Joey still there? Have you seen him?
Yes, I believe he is still here.
He's the homeless guy in the backyard.
For 20 years. He's lived in the backyard for 20 years, not just...
Oh, Joey's back. Court.
Hello.
Hi. A dent in it, huh? But this room's amazing. Like, look at the rounded ceilings and stuff. It's
How
just
can
beautiful.
you look at the architecture when there's like piles of
Because
stuff?
I see potential.
So we actually have a system on how we clear out a house. The first thing we do is we ask the family to please come in and take anything valuable and sentimental out of the house. So that's the first step with this home, and I think they did take some of it, but there's still so much left.
There's a lot left that I think would be valuable to them. I think they've looked at it for so long, they're looking over some certain items that they would probably want.
Well, it looks like a lot of stuff just needs to be hauled out, right? Yeah. And some great little tchotchkes still here that like nobody wants. Courtney knows how to do these because she's worked with us for a while. It's just when it's your own family's property, it's hard. It's hard to part ways. Now she gets it. Like,
it's an emotional process.
I think they got pretty much everything they wanted. We'll probably help Courtney pick out a few extra stuff. And then
after that is the dumpster.
It's done. This is something we find a lot, is like all this jewelry and like costume. This is like the good stuff. There's cheap plastic costume, and this, anything from the 50s. Vintage and good costume. Whether you use it or sell it or donate it, this is good stuff, like really good stuff.
Whatever, you should use it. Life's short.
I don't even know what this is for.
But I like it.
But I love it! Oh my gosh! Again, this is stuff that like nobody uses anymore. Oh my God. But this. Okay, have you guys ever seen this? So this looks like, well, Courtney
thought it was just a cocktail glass.
Like, this is a good cocktail glass. But people would put ice in here, and then here's a little dish. They would put ice cream or something to keep they want cold but not diluted. What?
Genius.
I'm like, this is.
I want to see this.
This needs to be redone. Like,
yeah,
I would totally use this for a party. What is that? Is that like was it a den?
So this was like our the den living room, I guess.
Oh, this is cool. So it looks like this building.
It was an addition. This is the outside, right?
It was an addition.
Yeah.
So this is not something that people just did in the 20s. People would add, they add additions today.
All the time.
And the big thing we're seeing is sometimes we sell a home and it's not permitted.
It's not permitted.
And that can be a problem.
But it still has value if it's
definitely
built
has value.
correctly.
So our brand, like on Instagram and all that, is high-end luxury, and that definitely is our forte. But this is a big part of what we do. We come in, we help families get out of the house, and honestly, it's a home. There's value. They can use that money for something else. Okay, I see a dent in here.
A dent,
yeah.
right?
This was completely full when we were here last time, so that's good. You need to take the cheese board.
Oh my gosh, take the dang cheese board.
I didn't even see the cheese board.
See, this is what I'm saying.
That's why you need to know us.
Court, look at this.
That's amazing.
It's sick.
Oh my God, look at the metal on there too.
You have
I
to
wouldn't
use
use succulents. This is decor. Like
Yeah.
this is
Is that
like
wood?
this is like Balinese or something.
beautiful.
Okay.
We're gonna stop giving you stuff. She keeps giving you, and I'm
Yeah,
like,
like, I
don't.
If
keep
you're
it
not
in.
taking it, then I'm taking it.
So this is an interesting piece. This is a O'Keefe and Merritt stove. So people, like this is, it probably still works. It probably just needs a little love. But people look for this whenever they retrofit a house or they want to make it back to its original condition. They look for these pieces, and this is quite like lots of value. Welcome to California 1950s. I know it was built in the 20s, but this is the cover. Isn't that funny? This is pepper. This is salt. So when you're cooking, there's a little plug right here. Isn't that
Do you
cool?
think we can sell this?
Yes.
Oh my
Is this
God,
something
yeah.
that you can
Yes.
put on like OfferUp or
I do.
something? Or-
Yes.
Yeah. Okay.
Oh my God, yes.
All
Look
right.
it up. So look up this
O'Keefe and Merritt.
and look for a model number.
Okay.
And yeah, this is something you can totally sell. For
Okay.
sure. Oh, we're gonna go see if Joey is still here. Like, we know Joey is still here. We'll see how much work he's done. So, yeah, this is a really great large lot, and you'll be able to tell as soon as all this is out. Yeah. So this is our super glamorous job. This is what we do. Glamour.
This is real life. This is a real trust sale.
I thought it was gonna be empty. We wore heels. Misty and I have run into situations where tenants are still on the property, and it can be a really big problem because
Especially in California.
because people will squat, meaning they will not leave.
Yes.
And
It's hard to get them out.
nobody wants anyone to be homeless, and nobody wants anyone to not have a place to go. He has a place to go. We just need him to.
How did he get like a golden nugget? What is that? It's like a
sale.
sale.
It's a sale.
It's fabulous.
Yeah.
Joey, what you doing back there? What you doing back there?
Having a party, come on over.
Ah!
Hey, hospitality.
Let's go check it out.
I mean, it's all so pretty.
It is. I
It's like
the
magical.
lamp right here.
You like that?
Yeah.
Yeah.
So when are you taking all that with you?
No, it's all gonna come down.
Oh, it is coming down? Okay. What's your time frame, Joey?
I'm as soon as possible, next couple days. Yeah.
Really?
Yeah.
Okay.
Great.
Okay.
Awesome.
Hi, welcome to Taco
Hey,
Bell, ma'am.
what's that
Did you
noise?
order?
It's Nacho Bel Grande. Is what that is. It makes me hungry.
I know what you're having for lunch. Okay, I'm gonna have a bean burrito. I'm just gonna be honest. So we're next to a Taco Bell.
Anybody want a cold cord?
Oh, no,
Not
thank
yet.
you, though.
Maybe later.
We gotta wait till 3 o'clock for us. You got a Pacifico?
I wish he had a rosé. So that's
Okay.
something interesting. All that stuff, and this is the trailer that's going to be carrying it off. I'm no rocket scientist, but it's not happening. Courtney, those are like mid-century modern chairs.
Those are really cool.
All you'd have to do is like
Those are beautiful.
upholster those. I'm not even kidding. Those are so cute.
Why don't we take them for our office?
I found these mid-century modern chairs over here that I think that we could totally reupholster and use for our office.
Yeah,
Win-win.
We had one property in on Doheny in Hollywood, and it was owned by what was he?
He was a
really famous
producer.
producer.
He won a couple Oscars, so he was quite the big deal.
And nobody wanted his stuff.
Yeah.
Like it was,
Sad. Well, actually, and they had no trust.
and they had no
That
trust.
was scary.
Moral of the story:
Get a trust.
get a trust. I mean, it's worth it for your kids, your family members.
So they don't
a
have to
will
go
is
through.
okay. A trust is better. It's
Yeah.
not that expensive.
We're headed back to the beach. I'm gonna leave you to it.
All right, guys. See you later.
Bye.
Bye.
Okay. Good to see y'all.
Like, subscribe, follow, all of that. See ya.